Hi guys, I'm Christina. I'm a nutritional therapist and I upload delicious healthy recipes and lifestyle tips every week. If you're new to my channel and if these are topics that interest you, then do subscribe to be notified when a new video goes live. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make turmeric latte or otherwise golden milk. I've spoken about the benefits of turmeric in another video which I will link below, and it's definitely one of the best ways to incorporate this amazing herb into your diet. To make it, warm up 1 cup of coconut milk. As soon as it is ready, transfer it in a blender. Add the rest of the ingredients, so your coconut oil, your protein powder. I'm using a collagen flavorless protein powder. It is not vegan, so for vegan options you can try pea powder instead. Then I add the rest of the ingredients and blend until smooth. Here you go. This is delicious and nutritious, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I hope you enjoy this golden milk, and do subscribe if you haven't yet to the channel, and if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. See you in the next episode.